Did you know you can grow your own mushrooms at home using just a 5-gallon bucket? It's easier than you think, and you don't need a fancy greenhouse, complicated equipment, or even a garden. Whether you're short on space or just curious about growing your own food, mushrooms are the perfect low-maintenance crop. Today I'll walk you through how to set up your own bucket mushroom farm step by step, using affordable materials and simple techniques anyone can follow. First, let's talk about why mushrooms are such a great crop. They're packed with nutrients, easy to cook with, and can even grow indoors in small, dark spaces. Unlike other vegetables, mushrooms don't need sunlight. They actually prefer cool, damp, and shaded conditions. That makes them ideal for a garage, closet, or shady porch. And when grown in a 5-gallon bucket, they take up barely any room at all. Here's what you'll need to get started. A 5-gallon plastic bucket with a lid, some mushroom spawn, which is like the seed for mushrooms, and a substrate. The substrate is what the mushrooms grow on, and the best, easiest option is pasteurized straw. You can also use sawdust, cocoa coir, or even used coffee grounds if you want to experiment later. You'll also need a drill and a little patience, but don't worry, this is simple stuff. Start by cleaning your bucket thoroughly. Then, using a drill or heated screwdriver, make several half-inch holes all around the sides and base of the bucket. These holes allow air to circulate and give your mushrooms space to grow out from the sides. Next, prepare your substrate. If you're using straw, chop it into small pieces and pasteurize it by soaking in hot water, about 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 to 75 degrees Celsius, for about an hour. This step is crucial. It kills off any competing fungi or bacteria so your mushroom spawn can thrive. Once the straw is cool and damp, not soaking wet, you're ready to mix in the mushroom spawn. You'll want to layer it inside the bucket, just like making lasagna, a layer of straw, then a layer of mushroom spawn, and repeat until the bucket is full. Press down gently as you go to eliminate air pockets. When you're done, put the lid on loosely, or cover the top with breathable cloth like burlap, and place your bucket in a cool, dark location, like a closet, basement, or under a shaded bench. Over the next 2 to 3 weeks, the mushroom mycelium will colonize the substrate. You'll see white, thread-like growth spreading throughout the straw. That's a good sign. It means your mushrooms are establishing. Once the bucket is fully colonized, it's time to move it to a spot with a little more fresh air and indirect light. Mist it daily with water to keep the humidity up, and in about a week or two, you'll start seeing mushrooms push through the holes you drilled earlier. Depending on the mushroom variety you chose, like oyster mushrooms, which are beginner-friendly, you could be harvesting your first flush within 4 to 6 weeks of starting the project. And the best part? Each bucket can produce several flushes of mushrooms over the course of a few months, especially if you keep misting it regularly. This method is sustainable, affordable, and perfect for beginners. You're recycling household items, creating your own food, and saving money in the process. Plus, homegrown mushrooms taste amazing, earthy, fresh, and completely organic. Once you harvest your mushrooms, you can cook them fresh or dry them for later use. So, whether you're looking to boost your self-sufficiency, explore a new hobby, or simply enjoy better-tasting food, give this bucket method a try. It's one of the easiest and most rewarding gardening projects out there. With just a bucket, some straw, and a little mushroom magic, you'll be growing your own gourmet fungi in no time.